Yeah, night shift always does the back, and it's done on I think Saturday night, and I think there's one other night during the week that they get their baths. I think
Are you
it's
dreaming,
Wednesdays.
honey?
No, I think it's Tuesdays.
Has it just like a wifey or something?
I mean, some kids, now once he gets bigger, he'll be sweating more and stuff like that. But right now, it's a real simple job.
Yeah.
You know? And yeah, when he gets closer to going home, you know, y'all can participate in his bath.
We're going to take off the tripod. We're going to stop happening.
So all the movements and stuff that he's doing is normal.
Yeah.
Did you say that?
I don't know.
Okay. A while ago I heard that, and I went over there, and they weren't
Nobody.
Okay, what did you ask me?
All the movements he's doing, stuff like that's normal.
Yes. Yeah. They tend to be a little bit twitchy. It's just kind of normal for preemies. They don't have real good control of everything. They don't really know how to calm themselves. Usually babies calm themselves by putting their hands together.
Right.
But he hasn't learned that yet. So they just tend to be a little bit neurologically immature and kind of twitchy. They'll get better. Now his head ultrasound is tomorrow morning. The results of that probably won't be around until tomorrow afternoon. But